In this video, we will look at the knowledge base and how to submit tickets with your support account. Most of our help articles are available publicly, with no support account needed. Some may be attached to certain clients' accounts, and others may be available for support account holders. To access, then enter support.msn.io. Enter the name of the feature you wish to access. Don't type in full questions, use keywords instead. The knowledge base is split into categories, and then sections. Within each section, you will have the articles in relation to the module. You can refine your view by selecting the category or the section. Open a section to see all the articles listed. Then open the article directly by clicking on the title. Within the articles, there may be links which relate to the content within. Click on them to go and open a new tab with the information. At the bottom of the article, there will be lists of related content to help your next steps and understanding. Let us know if you like the article and found it helpful. If you wish to comment, then speak to your MySchool admin or the person with access to a support account within your school. Support account holders can sign in the knowledge base to submit tickets and leave comments on the articles. As a first-time user, you will receive an email inviting you to validate your account and set your password. You can change your account settings and add a photo by accessing the account information in the user menu to the top right. To submit a ticket, then click on the link next to your account name. For more information regarding the support ticket process and how to resolve issues, then please have a look at the articles in the category labelled Essentials.